What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Eva, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, and I'm going to be using only drugstore products, so everything's going to be super affordable. And if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and for my eyes I'm going to be priming with the LA Girl concealer, and I got the shade Porcelain. I'm just gonna apply that to my eyelids. And with the Morphe M173, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And I'm just tapping, you guys. I'm not spreading the product like this. I'm just slightly tapping it. Okay, so I know I look crazy, so now I'm going to set my eyelids with the Airspun translucent powder. Before applying the powder, I'm gonna go back with the same brush and just make sure everything is smooth before applying the powder. Okay, so now with the Real Techniques brush, I'm going to grab some powder, and then I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids just to set that concealer. And I'm doing the same technique, I'm just pressing instead of swiping. Now moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. And the first shade I'm going to use is this orange shade right here. And the brush I'm using is, I know I got this one from Ipsy. And it's a Blend of Beauty from Mimi's Glam. And I'm just going to be applying that on my crease. And I totally forgot to mention what I used for my eyebrows. I have been using the pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I used the shade Medium Brown. I used the pomade for years, you guys, and I just didn't know what kind of product to use for my eyebrows. So if you know of something good that's drugstore for my eyebrows, let me know down below, because I would be happy to try it. So this is literally my first makeup video. I did some makeup videos a long time ago, but I just put them private and didn't want to show you guys because I feel like I look weird. But now I'm going to be grabbing this transition shade, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M441, and I'm just going to be applying this shade on the outer crease. Now I'm going to be grabbing a Morphe M518, and I'm going to be blending out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to be grabbing this white shade right here with a Wet n Wild concealer flat brush, and I'm going to be applying that on the eyelid and on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to be grabbing this color right here with a Wet n Wild concealer brush, and I'm just going to apply that on the middle. And now grabbing this dark shade right here, I'm going to be using a Morphe M506, and I'm just going to be tapping that on the outer, on the outer corner of my eye. And then with the same brush, I'm just going to stand it up straight like this, and then I'm just going to blend the edges. Now moving on to eyelashes, I'm going to be using these that I bought from AliExpress. And oh my god, you guys, let me tell you guys, these are so beautiful. I get so many compliments with these. And I know these are not drugstore, but they are very affordable. I believe I bought them for like $1. So I actually don't have like the name or number of these eyelashes with me right now. I'm gonna try to look for it, and I'll go ahead and make sure to leave their name, whatever, on the description bar down below, okay? I'm telling you guys, these eyelashes look so freaking bomb. And like, I'm not even done with my whole makeup look, but I just love them so much. They're so full and so beautiful. So I'm actually thinking about making my eyes a little bit darker. So it's fine if you just want to stop right here, but I kind of like, I'm feeling a little bit feisty. So I'm just gonna go a little bit darker. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here with the M441, and I'm just going to apply it on my outer crease. I just feel like I need it a little bit darker. Okay, so now moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming my face with the Master Blur Stick, and I believe it's from Maybelline. So it just looks like a stick, and I'm just going to apply it everywhere. Literally everywhere, like everywhere. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything in. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay, and I am in the shade 118. And with my Real Techniques sponge, I'm just going to blend everything in. For concealer, I'm going to be using the ColourPop concealer, and I got the shade Light 16. Now I'm going to set it with the Airspun translucent powder. I look white as fuck right now. Okay, so now moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using the Milani one and it's the color Dulce. Dulce or Dul? I think it's Dulce because it doesn't have a U. So now I'm going to be using a Morphe E34, and I'm just going to be dusting everything off my face, all the powder that I applied. And now with the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 primer water, I'm going to be using this to set my face. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, so now I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to be grabbing this flat brush from Morphe, and it's the M508. And I'm going to grab the orange. Actually, I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. Now with the same brush, I'm going to grab the orange shade. Now with the Morphe M506, I'm just gonna go over it just to make sure it looks blended. And then I'm actually going to apply a white eyeshadow on my brow bone, and I'm going to be using this white shade and the e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone just to make it pop. Shorty got low, 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 low. And I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Natural. And then now going in with the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the color Send Nudes. Now going in with highlighter, I'm going to be using this one from Wet n Wild in the color Precious Petals. And I'm going to be using the Morphe E61 brush. I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. One of my cheeks, my cheekbone. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit closer so you guys can see my face. I fell in love with everything. I feel like it looks super pretty, and I just really hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.